What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and right now I'm here to show you how to make money online for free. This is a free method that I use, uh, to make some good money. Okay. Also, I'll teach you, a way that you can do it paid that'll make you some good money. But um, first thing I need you guys to do is hit that subscribe button for me. Okay. Make sure you hit that notification so you get all, my videos that I'll be making, helping you guys make money online and things like that. So this right here, man, a couple years back, man, I made a shoe page and, I ran some ads and made a lot of money off of it. And I used to sell shoes, for a living. Not for a living, but I did it on the side, I should say. I made some really good money. So I want to teach you guys that, okay? There's a lot of these sites out here, man. It's dopekicks23.cn. I used to order shoes off of her all the time. Now, let me break this down, all right? They do have the authentic Jordans right here. All right, they got the authentics, man. Uh, and I've ordered a lot of them, wore a lot of them. They come out, perfect. I mean, they're just like the authentics in the store. I haven't had any problems with it. Nobody's ever said anything about them, being fake when I wore them or anything. I mean, everything checks out, perfect. Okay. I guess you can call them unauthorized authentics or whatever. And what is that? What does that basically mean? I guess unauthorized authentics means, that if they had a flaw or anything in the factory, then they would just sell them for a little cheaper. But these are the authentics. Okay. Now they do have the actual knockoffs, which is down here. If you just go to Jordan shoes, they have like triple A's. Now, this is what I used to sell these when I didn't have enough money. But actually, their Jordan 1s look great. They look exactly like this. Like they, you know what I mean? I was going to actually order these before. But their Jordan 1s look really good. You know what I mean? Now, if you didn't have enough money and you wanted to just sell these, on the street or something like that, you would have to let the people know, hey, these are unauthorized. These aren't, official, but they look official. That's the crazy thing. They look official, but I wouldn't just tell people, hey, these are authentic Jordans, buy these, and then, um, so, actually what I used to do when I used to order just different kinds of Jordans, and I would up the price to about 75, $80, make a profit off of it when I sold them to somebody, letting them know, hey, they're like, man, those are clean. I don't care what they are. And, if you had those neighborhoods where, people used to sell shoes out their trunk and all that kind of stuff, that's what this kind of reminded me of. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is um, selling, the shoes on, a Facebook fan page, okay, and how you can make a lot of money doing this. Okay, now see the authentic Jordans. If I click on the authentics, there some of these are retail price, 165, 150. But a lot of these that are marked up, either they haven't came out yet like these, or they're gonna come out soon. You know what I mean? So they have them on here early. And I mean these things check out, man. You can click on them, order them for yourself, and check them out. They're dope. Okay, they're really dope. Dope shoes. Uh, so you guys can go through here and look at them. You know what I'm saying? Everything's good, man. Everything checks out. All right, but so what am I getting at here? All right. I built this Facebook fan page in about 2015. I made a post in 2015. As you can see, September 2015. Okay, selling the authentics. All right, and I just took a picture off Google, just showing somebody's shoe collection because I didn't have the actual collection because I was just going to be making money for free. Um, and look at the engagement on it, you guys. 5,000 likes. People are ordering like crazy. Look, how much for a size 12? And I mean, some 12s in a size 8. I was telling them 220. Now look on here. Look on here and how much the prices are. So let's go. Let me go to some Jordan 12s. I forgot which. They got so many. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be about right here. Oh, well, I'm off. Let me go back. There's somewhere in here, man. Those are the 6s. Let's see. 11s. I gotta go up one more. Yeah. These are 8. Dang. I'm sorry, I don't know my Roman numerals. I should have stayed in school long enough. Okay, so here are the 12s. There's the Jordan 12s. All right. Sorry it took so long to get there. But look, so, they had all these different Jordan 12s, okay? So let's just say you wanted some of these originals. 150, right? Let's take a peek at them. I look at them, see how they look. And they look exactly like this, man. You could email the people first, talk to them. Everything checks out good. All right, they get close-ups on them, let you know. All right, everything's looking good. Okay. And so what I would do is I built me a website, and I'll show you my old website. I haven't used it in a long time. I built this website. I made up a domain name, shoefanatic.net, free shipping on all orders. I had a video right there. It's going now. And I just built this page. It took me a little while to build this page, probably, a day or two, just adding different, shoes and a bunch of different, things like that. I built it with Wix.com. So I just added all the shoes that were actually on the site, a lot of them. And then I ran an ad. Okay. And I marked the price up to $220. Okay. And people were buying them like crazy. I had no complaints at all, man. People were getting them and happy, excited, hey, got my shoes, I'm loving them, And man, it made some good profits. So if you guys are wanting to start a shoe store, do it, man. People love Jordans. And not only do they love Jordans, um, they have everything on here, man. They have Nike Air Maxes, everything. Like you can sell shoes all day. Hirachis. I mean, they got all kinds of, different Hirachis and shoes and colors. And they got everything on the site. So, they got, Gucci belts. I mean, all kinds of stuff, man. Louis Vuitton belts, everything, man. And you can have your own personal store online, just like that. All right. They got hoodies, jeans, clothes, jewelry, like everything. All right, like literally everything. You can have your own little shop. And so what I would do is now normally if I wanted to buy, if I wanted to sell them on the street, would cost a little money. I would probably order like 2 pair. Sometimes I would do, if I didn't have no money at all back then, I would uh to buy the shoes, I would do these. But those are pretty sketchy. You know what I mean? Some of them look really good and some of them don't. Anytime, I was loan cash, I would do like Supermax Perfect. Um, these are pretty much the Authentics too, man. I don't see a difference between these and the Authentics at all. Like they all look really good on feet and everything. Like Jordan signs aren't cricket or anything crazy like that. Like everything checks out perfect. Um, but if I would order some and then I would post it in the Facebook Marketplace or on Craigslist, and people hit me up, have questions. I'll let them know like, hey, you can meet me in person, check them out. They check them out in person, like, hey man, I want these, and then I sell them. You know what I mean? I mark the price up as 127. I'll say, you know what, 200. They'll buy them all day long. And so that's what I did on here, man. And I'll even go through some of these comments so you guys can see, man. I was going crazy on the shoes, man. And I might start it back up, man, because people were just commenting all kinds of sizes, and even I had women. They got women's shoes on there, kids clothes, kids shoes, man. You can even order some for yourself. Uh, that's what you guys want to do, but see, look at all of these people, man. Just people all day long. I'm just replying back to each person. People like you got the Concourse, they're fire. You know what I mean? That you got the Carmines. Like I had it going. All right. So just letting you guys know, this is something that you could do that wouldn't cost you any money unless you wanted to sell them on the street. But you could just so how it works is all you're gonna do is you would post the shoes that you have on the site. So post one of the shoes or post a bundle of shoes like I did here. Okay, I let them know 3 to 5 days shipping because sometimes I would do it express. 3 to 5 days shipping. All right, they buy the shoes, and all I would do is go here, whatever shoe they bought, I will go ahead and order it, put it, send it to their address. Okay, because once they're paid, I have their address and other information. I will send them the shoes directly to their address, and I'll write them and say, hey, let me know when they come in, take a picture of them, let me know how you like them, things like that. People are loving these, you know what I mean? Loving them. All right. And so I might go ahead and start doing it again, man. I kind of got into other stuff, so that's why I slowed down on doing these. But I mean, look, wow, you know what I mean? People were just asking, what's the ticket? Are they real or are they foo-foo? Oh man, you'll get a couple of those comments. Um, Man, I want them all. Like people were ordering like crazy, man, and it was going skyrocket. I just haven't done it in a long time, but I'll probably do it again. But just so if this video helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you kind of feel like, hey man, I was looking for something like that, that's something I wouldn't mind doing. Selling shoes. You could even get them and do a review on them, so people can see them and add it to the website. Like, hey, I'm reviewing these shoes off the site. Let you know how they look before you purchase. Things like that, man. So they got Gucci backpacks, Louis Vuitton backpacks, handbag. I mean, so much stuff. Just go on this site and check it out. Okay. That's like dopekicks23.cn. I should have it in the description below. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe again, you guys. And I'll be uploading videos every other day. So go out there and make some money this year. Make a killing doing a lot of stuff. I'll be uploading more videos soon. So hopefully this helped, and I'll see you guys later.